We're hanging out with Bill and Todd today. Gilley's Heating and Air, prepping for summer. Gotta get ready with our air conditioners.
Absolutely. Yep. It's that season.
Now this one is not in good shape?
No.
This is not in good shape.
This is not in good shape. It's been around for quite a few years, and this homeowner decided it was time to change. So
that seems about right. I didn't think I could tell that.
Yeah.
So
why is it so important to keep our air conditioning units clean?
Well, one of the major things that affect your air conditioner is when they become dirty. I don't know if you can see here, but it's all plugged up with dirt, and cottonwood is big this time of year, plugs up the coils. When you do that, it decreases the efficiency of the air conditioner, it costs more in electricity, plus your home doesn't cool as well. So, biggest thing on air conditioning is keep the coil clean. Keep it free from weeds, debris, bushes growing into them.
Sure.
Exactly.
They got to breathe. So that's the biggest thing.
That's it.
Yep.
You just got to have free air moving through them. Also, when it comes springtime, you want to check. You can see over here, that's where your components are for starting the unit up, where the electrical comes in. Everything from bugs and that will get in and prevent the unit from starting up. So that's why we recommend to have us come and do the service on your unit. Because you are dealing with live power there, you have to make sure you pull the disconnect, be safe.
So this is probably the best time, like get it done ASAP.
Exactly.
Get it done this time of year before it gets too hot out.
What about allergens? Is that something that can be helped out a little bit by keeping your air conditioning clean?
That would be the inside unit, and the same time we do this, you want to make sure you change your filters inside on your furnace like we talked about with your heating clean and check, to change that air filter in there and keep that clean.
Now, is there preventative maintenance that can be done on your unit?
Yep, absolutely. When we come and do a clean and check, we use a detergent that takes care of the grease and grime that builds up in these units. We wash it out, get good airflow, get good efficiency that way. We check the electrical components, the motor, and make sure everything's running as it should and good to go for the summer.
Now, if you were to come across a unit like this in someone's house, you would just say, this has got to go, right? It's too far gone?
We strongly recommend it.
Yeah, we strongly recommend it. Yeah, we could probably make it run still, but yeah.
And really, when we're talking about the fact that if you got a new one, you would end up saving money each year, it kind of makes sense.
Inefficiency, you do. The other thing we check inside is check the filter, make sure the blower motor's turning freely, and then also when you run your air conditioner, there's a drain that comes off the coil in it, taking the humidity out of the air, and we make sure that drain is clear so it doesn't flood the unit.
Okay, so we're getting rid of this in our house.
Yeah.
We're trying to pick a new one. There's a couple different options.
Right.
Yeah.
And how do we decide which one is the best one?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for. We have the base model, which is your standard efficiency. It'll work well. It's still somewhat energy efficient, and then you can go to a higher efficiency model, which is going to save you more on your electric.
Okay.
Yeah. With the efficiency, the dollar amount goes up, so we evaluate with the customer with how much runtime you're going to have and the size of the unit of what your payback is going to be on that unit.
And better to do this, again, just like the checking it sooner is better, right, as we get to the hotter months?
Yep. When it hits 100 degrees out, we tend to get real busy.
I bet. So if you can take care of that sooner, that's always
good.
Yep.
Make sure you're ready.
Just give you guys a call to get that all started?
That's exactly right. Call 815-962-1927. Don't willy-nilly at Gilley's it.
Spirit Day is next. We're making Windsor Gardens cocktails and getting you ready for art and fashion in bloom. We'll be right back.
The preceding portion of Good Day State Line was sponsored by Gilley's Heating and Air,